Wow, grabe. It's too much. So, ayan o, meron kami nito. Kaso butter and sugar. Empanada. Yun hindi, empanada. Nakalimutan ko. Ayan. Sweet. Yung tawag po, ensumada. We have this one in the Philippines, ensumada, but butter and sugar on the top. Okay. Hanip ito talaga. Ito masarap din yan. Favorite. Ano ganito talaga. Ayan. Ayan yung sa nandito tayo. We have naman this one empanada. Did you see what's that?
What?
Did you see in your office?
Yes,
I put the ay, di ako tabang. Mga sweet. Magtatabi kaya ko nito ng isa. Para sa akin. O kaya yung isa. Tabi-tabi, magtabi. Magtabi, wala na ito. Masarap talaga ito. Pamimigay lang naman niya. Pamimigay din sa mga neighborhood. Hello nationwide, hello worldwide, hello to all subscribers of mine, to all viewers of mine, to all supporters of mine, to all some vloggers that you are helping in my YouTube channel from the beginning until now. Shout out to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, and to the all people in this world. Thank you very much that you are still with us. And hello YouTube company, with all workers and mga bus. And thank you to the all people in this world in the Philippines. Nasisiwat na. This one, yung nice. This one is nice. This one. Ano pala yung sus. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Keep safe lagi. And God bless us all. And bye. Once again, thank you talaga. Thank you. Thank you all Philippines, all family. Both side ng nanay at tatay ko. Nationwide and all worldwide na lang. Sabotage na lang kasi ang you are too much if I mention you individual, one by one ako. To the family of my Madam Ansel, to Sisi, sa alaga ko, sa kapatid ko, sa mga pamangkin, sa in-laws ko, sa mga apo, sa mga relatives, basta both side na, sa isla, sa hometown ko, sa Libho, Dinagat Island, sa Loreto, sa Santa Cruz, sa Siargao, sa Surigao del Norte, Surigao City. Okay? And to all different countries na nabilong doon, naghanap buhay, nag-stay, nag-work there. And what happened, ako, God knows everything. That is everything for the God wants for us, for all of us. Okay, thank you again. Thank you, and bye. And God bless us all. God bless us all. anong itsura na meron ako ngayon. Ayan, kung hindi na madodrawing. Ayan o. Oh. Ayan o, na ano, ayan, masarap o. Oh, ayan. Meron yan in the Philippines is too much. We put on the top butter and sugar. Okay? Yela guli. Bye bye. Bye bye again.